turn my spine column. So my block is on a slight diagonal. I take my leg across it. I'm going to flex the foot and evert it. Everting meaning the pinky toe goes down and pulls back and the big toe reaches forward. Is that clear? Now most of us when we come into pigeon pose, we kind of lean our body weight to one hip. And it'll be exaggerated if your leg is on the block. You'll see at this point. So what I'm going to ask you to do is to press your knee down into the block and pull the back knee forward. So it looks like this. You see the difference? The back leg will tuck your toes, spin the thigh bone in, so the pelvis rotates in as well. You see it? Then I move everything back, including my block, as I stay turned in. Then, without leaning my hips, I turn my spine column and I smell my hello, who's in there? Or I take the phone call, yeah? Hello? When phones used to be that big. Okay.